So welcome back, guys. If you haven't watched the first episode of this video, I would advise that you go and watch it. I'm going to drop the link below in the description, so do well and go and watch it. So this is what we are using the coconut leaves for. So guys, this is what we are using the coconut leaves for. Actually, I don't want to be talking plenty in this video because I myself am ignorant of what is going on here. So I'll just advise that we all pay attention and then watch this video. We should watch the process. If there is anything that is confusing, please don't forget to leave it in the comment below so that I will address your confusion. But for now, I guess we should all watch this video and then get to where we are going. So if you are enjoying the video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, to like, share this video to your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. So as I said, this video is going to be in episodes, and this is the second episode. If you missed the first episode, please don't forget to go and watch it. And if you don't want to miss any of these episodes, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of these episodes.
Wankɔ hɔ da. Wɔn yɛ mɛya. Na maa wo yɛ fi station na ɔtɔn ade. Wo yɛ fi station na ɔtɔn ade. Maa ta ase. Oh, na emi mo castor plant wo etwitwa bia. Oh, me la mo castor plant na. Wo etwitwa bia egu wɔn ade di.
So guys, as you can see, he is filling the thing with clay. I understand he's going to fill everything from head to toe. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video. It might help someone out there. So he explains the disadvantage of using the coconut leaves, and he would prefer to use the palm leaves than the coconut because the palm leaves hold the thing firm than the coconut leaf. So guys, if you are doing same, I would advise that you use the palm leaves instead of the coconut leaves. So our wood has been filled with the clay, and look at how it is very heavy. So guys, I hope you're going to stay tuned, and I'm going to drop the new episode, the third episode, very soon. If you love the video, as I said, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.